what's up everybody, Sami here. So today we are going to compare the Xiaomi 15 Pro with the vivo X200 Pro, which you guys have asked mostly about it, and also Xiaomi 14 Ultra, just to see the cameras. And yeah, please leave your comment below and decide, which one, wins. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, 4K 60! That's my cameraman, I think. No, I'm gonna run a little bit. Okay, just to see who has the best stabilization. Okay. Seems, I don't know. Who has the best stabilization? Let me know. Oh, okay. All right. If judging from the screen, seems like the three the same, kind of the same, right? And yeah, I just turned on the voice enhancement on the vivo X200 Pro. You guys also have really bad voice. And now let's just turn on. Okay, that's the 4K 60 stabilization and everything. Now let's do the zoom.
Testando aqui a parte de foco. Todos eles parecem bem rápido, né? Ó. Só que o vivo parece que eu morri, né?
Alright, 4K 60 for the front. Seems like 14 Ultra has the worst dynamic range. You see the sky got totally blown out. Also has the strangest color. I haven't updated to the newest firmware, Obviously, Vivo has the best dynamic range. Okay, Xiaomi 15 Pro. I can see a little bit of the cloud in the middle. Okay, now let's just test the stabilization. Okay, let's go. Looks very strange, right? Okay, because the front camera is very important nowadays. People just use the front camera to for vlog things, to record their life and everything. So let's just check out. I think the background music is copyrighted, so I will stay away from it. Okay. All right. And I think that's okay. All right. Now 4K 30 zoom, and as you can see, this is like a backlight, so it's really challenging for the 3. But let's see. So ultra wide, ultra wide, ultra wide, right? Maybe turn to this way, to this way. Seems good. One. Okay, one. Xiaomi 15 Pro seems really bright. Okay, and then go to this way. Yeah, Xiaomi just, Okay. Just brighten the image a little bit. Okay, 1, 2, 2. Okay, and then 3.2 on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, 5 times on the Xiaomi 15 Pro, and 3.7 on the vivo X200 Pro. Okay, so now let's all adjust to 5. Or adjust to 5. So this is the vivo looks like so good, to be honest. 10 times. 10 times. Okay. So people are saying, yeah, there's no point of zooming. But a couple of days ago, I went to the Chengdu Panda base. A good zoom quality is the key point. It's very important to see these pandas, because they're lazy, they're hiding themselves. You have to use the zoom to see them. Okay. Wow. Okay, let's turn to this way. Wow, I think 14 Ultra has the best. Xiaomi 15 Pro seems got a little bit grainy, soft. Vivo X200 Pro seems to, sharpen the image a little bit. Okay, let's go to, so 15.1 on the Vivo, 15 on the Xiaomi 15 Pro, and 15 on the 14 Ultra. Okay, they're not in the same angle, Anyway, but for the vivo X200, we can go 200. Yeah. I'll go 20, right? I say something else? I said that. Oh shit, that's 200. So thanks for reminding me. Oh, okay. Okay, that's the zoom. My first impression, very strange. Seems like the vivo X200 has the best. And for Xiaomi 15 Pro, you can see grainy, shaky, 14 Ultra. Okay, and that's it. All right, now to the most important, or my favorite feature, is the movie mode. Wow, you can see the perfect, depth of field, the blurred background. That gives you this kind of cinematic footage, right? I really like it. Oh, okay, cool.
They have this portrait video, but in Xiaomi, it's just like the movie. You can see the very nice bouquet. What do you think, guys? Make some pose. Handsome guys.